Booyah! Welcome to Stock Yoga, where we stretch your dollars and find the strength in your portfolio. I'm your host, and I'm fired up to be here with you today. Today is July 7th, 2025, and the market is a wild beast, a jungle. But don't you worry, because I've got my machete, and I'm here to carve a path for you straight to the profits. We're not here to play games, we're here to make money. Serious money. The kind of money that lets you sleep at night, knowing your financial house is built on a rock-solid foundation. Now, some people will tell you to run for the hills, to hide your cash under the mattress. Not me, no way. I say you gotta be in it to win it. You've got to have the courage, the conviction, to see the opportunities that others are too scared to touch. That's what we do here. We find the diamonds in the rough, the titans of industry that are just getting started. We do the homework so you can make the smart plays. So, are you ready? Are you ready to make some money? I can't hear you. That's more like it. Get your notebooks out, get ready to take some notes, because I'm about to give you the inside scoop. Here are 3 stocks you might want to consider adding to your portfolio. These aren't just random picks. These are carefully selected companies with real stories, real fundamentals, and real potential. Let's get into it. Skedaddle. First up, let's talk about something as old as civilization itself. Gold. Ticker symbol GOLD, Barrick Gold. Now listen to me. In a world of uncertainty, with geopolitical jitters and inflation fears creeping around every corner like a monster in the dark, where do you go for safety? You go to gold. It's the ultimate store of value, the bedrock of financial security. And when you think gold, you have to think Barrick. This isn't just some fly-by-night mining operation. This is the big leagues, the New York Yankees of gold mining. They are a powerhouse with a global footprint. They've got Tier 1 assets, the best of the best, mines in Nevada, in Africa, all over the world. These aren't just holes in the ground, people. These are cash-generating machines. And the management? Mark Bristow, the CEO, is a legend, a true operator. He knows how to squeeze every last ounce of value out of these assets. He's a disciplined capital allocator, which is exactly what you want in a commodity business. He's not chasing fool's gold. He's focused on shareholder returns, on building a fortress of a balance sheet that can withstand any storm. Look at their recent performance. While other companies are getting hammered, Barrick is standing tall. They're generating massive free cash flow. What does that mean for you, the home gamer? It means dividends. It means buybacks. It means they are returning capital to shareholders, which is music to my ears. They are rewarding you for your faith in them. This isn't just a bet on the price of gold, it's a bet on a best-in-class operator with a proven track record of execution. The chatter on the street is all about tech, about AI, about the next shiny object. Fine, let them chase it. We're going to be smarter. We're going to diversify. We're going to own a piece of something real, something tangible. When the market gets choppy, and believe me, it will, you'll be glad you have a little Barrick Gold in your portfolio, acting as your personal financial bodyguard. It's a defensive play, with offensive power, so don't just stand there, do your homework on Barrick, look at the numbers, read the conference call transcripts, see what I see, a well-run company in the right commodity at the right time. This is a stock that lets you have your cake and eat it too. Protection on the downside and tremendous upside potential as the world continues to be, well, a crazy place. Barrick Gold, ticker gold. Put it on your radar. Booyah! Alright, next up, let's shift gears from the ground beneath our feet to the health of our bodies. I'm talking about a titan, a behemoth, a company that is so ingrained in the American healthcare system that it's practically a utility. I'm talking about UnitedHealth Group, ticker UNH. Now, some people get scared of healthcare stocks. They worry about regulation, about political noise. I say hogwash. You have to look past the noise and see the undeniable, unstoppable trend. People are getting older and they need more healthcare. It's that simple. UnitedHealth is not just an insurance company. That's what the amateurs think. No. They are a diversified healthcare services powerhouse. They have their United Healthcare Insurance arm, which is a monster, covering millions and millions of people. But then they have Optum. Oh, Optum. This is the secret sauce, the growth engine that the bears consistently underestimate. Optum is their health services business. It includes everything from data analytics and pharmacy benefits with Optum Rx to owning doctor's offices and surgery centers with Optum Health. Think about it. They are vertically integrated. They manage the insurance, they provide the care, they analyze the data, and they manage the prescriptions. This creates a powerful flywheel effect. The more data they get from their insurance members, the better they can manage care through Optum, which lowers costs, which makes their insurance plans more attractive, which gets them more members. It's a beautiful, self-reinforcing cycle of profitability. It's a juggernaut that is relentlessly gaining market share. The management team at UNH is second to none. They are masters of execution. They navigate the complex regulatory environment with skill and precision. Every quarter they just deliver. They beat earnings estimates, they raise guidance. It's like clockwork. This is the kind of boring, consistent excellence that makes you rich over the long term. You don't need a home run every day. You need a company that hits singles and doubles consistently year after year. That is UnitedHealth. So when you hear the politicians screaming and yelling about healthcare, just take a deep breath. Remember the fundamentals. Remember the demographic tailwinds. Remember the power of Optum. This company is a core holding, a foundational piece for any serious long-term portfolio. It's a growth stock and a defensive stock all rolled into one beautiful package. UnitedHealth Group, UNH, don't leave home without it. Okay, for my last pick, I'm bringing you a turnaround story, a comeback kid. This one is for the speculators, the folks who have a little bit of risk tolerance and are looking for that multi-bagger potential. I'm talking about PG&E Corporation, ticker PCG. Now hold on, I know what you're thinking. Kramer, are you crazy? PG&E? The company with all the wildfire problems, the bankruptcy? Yes, that PG&E. But this isn't your grandfather's PG&E. This company has been through the fire, literally, and has emerged stronger, leaner, and with a clear path forward. The old management is gone. The sins of the past have been paid for. This is a new era for the company. They are investing billions upon billions of dollars, we're talking real money here, into hardening their grid. They're burying power lines, clearing vegetation, using advanced technology and AI to predict and prevent wildfires before they start. This is the largest infrastructure modernization project in the country. They are de-risking the business right before our very eyes, and the market is starting to wake up and notice. Think about where they operate. California, the 5th largest economy in the world. An economy that is going all in on electrification. Electric vehicles, electric heat pumps, data centers, all of it needs massive amounts of electricity. And who is going to provide that power? PG&E. They have a government-sanctioned monopoly in one of the fastest-growing regions in the world. The demand for their product is only going one way up. This is a regulated utility, which means they get to earn a fair return on all those billions they're investing in safety and modernization. The stock has been beaten down for years, left for dead by Wall Street, but the tide is turning. They've been reinstated to the S&P 500, a huge vote of confidence. They're on the verge of reinstating their dividend, which will bring in a whole new class of income-oriented investors. The risk-reward profile here is simply incredible. The downside is cushioned by their status as a regulated utility, but the upside, as they continue to execute on their safety plan and the market re-rates the stock, is tremendous. This is not a stock for the faint of heart. I want to be clear about that. It's a speculative play, but for those with the stomach for it, the potential reward is off the charts. You are buying a vital infrastructure asset at a discount, right at the inflection point of a massive turnaround story. Do your homework. Understand the risks, but also understand the incredible opportunity. PG&E, ticker PCG. It could be an electrifying addition to your speculative portfolio. Don't miss it. And there you have it. 3 ideas to get your research started. Barrick Gold for safety and a hedge against chaos. UnitedHealth Group for steady, demographic-driven growth. And PG&E for the speculative turnaround play with massive upside. These are 3 different companies for 3 different parts of your portfolio. Remember, diversification is your friend. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, no matter how much I pound the table for it. The goal is to build a resilient portfolio that can make you money in any market. Now my job is to give you ideas, to get you excited, to point you in the right direction. But your job, the most important job, is to do the homework. Dig into these companies yourself. Read the annual reports, listen to the conference calls, and understand what you own. Never, ever buy a stock just because some guy on a video told you to. You have to have your own conviction. You have to be the CEO of your own money because nobody cares more about it than you do. This is not a game. It's about securing your financial future for you and your family. The opportunities are out there, but you have to be willing to do the work. I've given you a starting point. Now it's up to you to take it to the finish line. Always do your own research before investing. Good luck out there. Booyah!